Yeah. Ooh. There we have it. Oops. Another piece of really interesting wood. Unfortunately, it's got a lot of rotting in it, so I can't really make anything big like a table like I wanted to initially. It also is extremely bowed, so it's a bit ruined, but there are some really beautiful patterns in it. I think some of it they actually do call spalting. So what I'm going to try and do is make another platter, but we'll see if the wood allows it. I think this area is a little bit rotten as well, so I might want this to be in the center and this can be the top, and we'll try. Let's just see. There's no other way but to try. I'm going to use this as a template. It's a platter I made many years ago, and it's kind of the maximum my lathe can do. So I think I want to kind of try that again with more interesting wood. Hopefully it does not explode. Okay, so now we're at the point where I'm almost ready to turn it around and hollow out the inside. But as you can see, there are a lot of cracks all the way through it. And where is it? Over here, it's starting to split apart. So I'm just going to put some CA glue in it. Try and drop it in as far as I can, so we avoid the thing exploding in my face. See. There we go. There were many cracks, as you can see how much glue I had to put. So now we do a bit of sanding and see where we are. Now it's time to put some sanding sealer on it. This will help it bind nicely and give a better finish with sanding. And also will show us how it's going to look with a finish on it. Interesting. Sanding sealer. One last sanding. There we go. It's all done. All pretty. I have to say, I was very surprised. It looks amazing, in my opinion. However, because of the spalting and the the rot, it is quite rough, and it's not going to be as strong as solid wood. But I'm going to coat it with Rubio monocoat, which will protect it and make it food safe. So it'll be more of a sort of fruit bowl, I guess. And here you can see I've changed the design slightly, where I've got this raised piece and my logo will sit inside there. So now here we go. I'm going to put the Rubio on it. Obviously you're going to do Rubio clear, because the wood is quite dark already. I don't want it to go too dark, but and obviously any wood, especially wood with slight bits of rot, generally go a bit darker. So let's see how this goes. There we go. This is all set nicely, and now it's time for the final piece of the puzzle. Do this. I just put some contact glue there. It'll take a bit of time to dry. When you look at it, you can see the wood has actually gone really dark. I did use a clear Rubio on it. I think it's got to do a lot with the age of the wood and the degree of sort of rot, you can call it. So it is a bit dull, but that's the nature of the stuff we use. So there we go. We'll just let that logo set up, and then we'll have our final results. Wait. All this clicking fingers and nonsense. But something else to show you first. I made another one. It worked out so nicely, and I loved the wood and all the grain and everything. I thought, well, from the sister piece of wood, and I did this all off camera just because I felt like doing it. And we now have another one. So it's a bit smaller, but it's pretty awesome. Check it out. And now for the final results. I'm right-handed. This is not working. Editor, put something there. Thank you.